If you have unique handmade products to sell or want to launch a wholesale drop shipping venture, a stellar website with e-commerce capabilities is crucial for online success. Fortunately, with minimal initial investment and numerous user-friendly site builders at your disposal, starting an e-commerce business has never been simpler. Join us in this video as we guide you through 8 straightforward steps to kickstart your online store. Turn your e-commerce aspirations into reality today. Subscribe now for expert tips and strategies to boost your online store's success. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe today. 1. Pick a viable niche and define your target audience. The first crucial step in launching your online store is to identify a niche market you wish to cater to. Many new entrepreneurs falter by neglecting the 3 crucial components of niche selection. 1. Profitability. It's essential to choose a niche with the potential for profitability. Ensure that your products can be manufactured or sourced at a reasonable cost to yield a return on investment. Additionally, consider shipping expenses. Products that are costly to ship may be better suited for in-person sales. 2. Searchability. Opt for products that are in high demand and frequently searched for online. Product thorough keyword research using SEO tools as assertion popular products and capitalize on relevant search queries. For instance, if you're planning to sell dog leashes, ensure that dog leashes is a targeted keyword. 3. Passion. Factor in your personal passions and interests when selecting a niche. Pursuing a niche you're passionate about not only sustains your motivation during challenging times, but also positions you as an authority in your chosen field. Customers are more likely to trust and patronize a store run by someone knowledgeable and enthusiastic about their products. 2. Choose your product line. Once you've established your niche and identified your target audience, the next step is to determine your product or service line, a crucial aspect of launching your online store. This stage often possesses the greatest challenge as you strive to avoid selling products that are either prohibitively expensive to produce or lack consumer demand. Additionally, it's vital to ensure you possess the necessary resources such as storage and shipping capabilities to effectively manage your inventory. If you opt for a product that is already popular, you must strategize how to differentiate your offerings from competitors. Consider whether you can enhance existing products or introduce unique features to set your offerings apart. Moreover, you need to devise strategies to position your online store as the premier destination for these products, establishing it as the preferred choice among consumers. 3. Create your brand name and brand assets. Once you determine what products or service you'll be offering, the next step is to select your brand or business name and develop your brand assets, such as your logo. While some individuals find this process effortless, others may encounter challenges. A common approach to refining ideas to utilize a domain name register such as GoDaddy to search for available domains. Ideally, your domain name should align with your business name. If you're unsure how to begin creating your logo, platforms like Canva provide an excellent starting point. Canva offers a variety of free and customizable logo templates. Alternatively, if you prefer not to design your own logo, you can enlist the service of professionals through platforms such as Fiverr and 99 Designs. 4. Register your business. To facilitate payments for your online store, obtaining an employer identification number (EIN) is essential. To acquire an EIN, you must register your online business as a legal entity in your state. While registration options include sole proprietorship or corporation, many small businesses opt for limited liability company (LLC) due to its ability to safeguard personal assets in the event of legal action against the company. Additionally, forming an LLC offers tax benefits, making it adventurous for new adventures. Consult with a tax advisor to determine if an LLC is the most suitable option for your businesses. The registration process varies across states. So it's advisable to consult your state's Secretary of State for comprehensive guidance. Alternatively, you can utilize business registration services such as LegalZoom or ZenBiz for assistance. 5. Choose an e-commerce platform. Now, it's time to select an e-commerce platform. It's a crucial decision that will shape the foundation of your online store with various options available such as Squarespace, Shopify, and Square. Each platform offers its unique features affecting affordability, functionality, and ease of use. Therefore, it's essential to invest time in finding the platform that best suits your needs. Here are some of the top e-commerce platforms for effortlessly creating an online store. Squarespace, ideal for beginners in web design seeking to create a visually appealing online store with built-in marketing tools. Plans start at $14 a month with annual billing. Shopify, known for its suitability for building dropshipping stores, Shopify offers plans starting at $29 per month. Additionally, users may opt to purchase premium themes, typically priced around $250. Square, a budget-friendly option offering free plans. Square is suitable for both online and in-store sales. 6. Build your e-commerce website. Once you've settled on your preferred e-commerce platform, it's time to create an account and initiate the process of building your online store. While the specific steps may vary depending on the platform you've chosen, the general procedure typically involves the following. How to build an online store website. 1. Navigate your chosen e-commerce platform, such as Square, and sign in for an account. 2. Choose a domain name for your website. This is often included with your plan, but if not, you may need to purchase it separately. 3. Select a template or theme that aligns with your brand and desired aesthetic. 4. Incorporate your business name and logo in the design. 5. Customize your homepage and other web pages to reflect your brand identity. 6. Add your products to your store and create detailed product listings. 7. Set up a payment processor to facilitate transactions securely. 8. Configure various settings such as tax rates or shipping calculators to ensure smooth operations. 7. Optimize your site. Once your online store is operational, it's crucial to optimize it for search engines to enhance its online visibility and attract more visitors, ultimately leading to increased sales, all at no cost to you. Here are a few strategies you can implement to optimize your website. 1. Title tags. Craft descriptive and relevant title tags for each page of your website. These tags appear as clickable headlines on search engine result pages, SERPs, and should accurately reflect the content of the page. 2. Meta descriptions. Write compelling meta descriptions that appear beneath your taglines on SERPs. Use engaging language to entice users to click through your site while summarizing the page's content effectively. 3. H tags. Utilize descriptive H tags headlines to structure your page content and provide clarity about the information presented. Incorporated relevant keywords into these headings can further optimize your site for search engines. 4. Images. Enhance the visual appeal of your website by incorporating high-quality images. Ensure that each image is properly tagged with descriptive keywords, as this can improve its visibility in image search results and contribute to overall SEO efforts. By implementing these optimization techniques, you can improve your online store search engine ranking and attract more potential customers to your website. 8. Tell the world. Once your online store is up and running, you need to market it. The reason for this is that building a business through SEO is a key component in your long-term strategy. Marketing your products and services will help bring in traffic now. Here are several ways you can promote your online store. Add your brand to online directories. Work with influencers to promote your brand. Online advertising such as Google Ads or Facebook Ads. Use content marketing to help your site get found online. Create social media profiles and become active on them. Referral or loyalty programs. Use press releases if you have highly unique and groundbreaking products. Join affiliate marketing program. Try word of mouth marketing. The best way to promote your online store depends on your business and the product or service you're selling. Successful marketing campaigns contain many, if not all, of these strategies at the same time. Try a few different methods and see which one works best for you. Thanks for watching. For more content like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.